in Cleveland, has issued a tornado warning for
northeastern Holmes County, western Stark County, southeastern Wayne County, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Mount Eaton, or 11 miles east of Holmesville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Wilmette, Brewster, Navarre, Dalton, Massillon, and North Canton.